So Santa came early. These came in the mail yesterday, Christmas Eve, and so unfortunately been so busy, hadn't had a chance to really mess with them. So I just cracked the box open. So my turbos are now back. This Billet goodness. Check that out. Dude. Nice. Compared to what I sent in. Oh yeah, they are tight now. Had a lot of play in them before. So basically, see if I can get this out. Not too much trouble. Here. Set this up here. There we go. Alright. So basically, I'd sent my turbos back to be checked out, rebuilt type thing. They were 11 years old, journal bearing, cast wheels, 6.7mm, big kahuna from Garrett. They've been really good turbos to me, made great power. When I took them off the car, they were still running really good, which was phenomenal because Turbos Direct got them and went through them and pretty much told me they were wore out. They said not only were the fins messed up, which I showed in my previous video, fins are all pitted and messed up, but they said the turbos themselves were just wore slap out. And I actually called it in time before any real damage could occur, and you know, they really get messed up. So the good news is they're basically brand new turbos now. The only thing they were able to salvage from my other turbos was the compressor housing here, which is the exact same one I had before, and the billet back end plate. Other than that, everything else is completely brand new. This bracket here is a carrier bracket that TTSaleen fab for me to actually mount it, hold it in place, but everything else is brand new. So brand new turbos, still 67mm, 82 AR, but now they are billet, where before they were cast. I still kept with journal bearing. I didn't see the need to go to ball bearing, and quite frankly, by the time I was going to do the ball bearing conversion on these, I was literally $200 away from just buying these turbos brand new. So it really was not worth the money, in my opinion, to go ball bearing. The journal bearing have been great. They've been very strong for me for 11 years. They've not given a bit of trouble. And based on that, and the maintenance I've done to the car, regular oil changes and things like that, they did phenomenal. So a fan of ball bearing. They're great. Not saying I wouldn't go ball bearing if I had the chance, but my journal bearing have been phenomenal. So just for the money, I just figured I'd keep journal bearing in it. So basically brand new journal bearing turbos, billet on the inlet side now that they weren't before. And I'm getting ready to put them back on. Can't wait to see what it does. But considering how bad they were, that would explain to me why the car could have been down on power. So back during the summertime, when I dynoed it in the heat, it was making 1,000 at the tires. So now what he was basically telling me at Turbos Direct was with this combination with the billet upgrade, it should be roughly 10 to 20% more efficient. So what that should mean is if it made 1,000 a certain boost level, I should be able to pull 2 or 3 pounds out of the car, and it should be able to make the same power now. So we'll see. I'll try in some of my testing and we'll go from there. But can't wait to see what it does. Looking forward to getting the car back together and back to the track with the new boost controller, the new turbos, and a couple other little tricks. Real quick, got a passenger side turbo all bolted up and ready. Driver side turbo is in progress. Just a few little details I'm trying to iron out and make the install a little easier. Had to trim away a little bit of metal there from before. It was a real pain to get it off. So just trying to clean it up and make it a little neater, but in progress. but passenger side's on, ready to roll. So won't be long now. Should finish it up probably tomorrow. Change the oil in the car, get it all ready.